how you can level up fast in Valorant. Now, to level up fast in Valorant, you will need to understand how leveling up works. So, in Valorant, what happens is you get up to 5,000 AP points to level up. Now, you need 5,000 points to level up by one in Valorant. Now, the way you can do that, the way you can earn more APs is that by winning the first game. Now, by winning the first game of the day, you will get about 1,000 APs. Now, every day you will be able to get 1,000 APs. Also, the more time you spend on Valorant, the more APs you get. That is, you'll get 1 AP per 6 seconds. Now, getting 1 AP per 6 seconds means that you will get around 10 APs per minute. So, the more game you play, the more faster you level up. Also, there is a 50 AP bonus if you win a game. Now, the fastest way to earn AP is by playing Spike Rush. By playing Spike Rush, you can win around 50 APs per bonus per win, and then also you will be earning 1 AP per 6 seconds of the game. So that is the quickest, maybe the quickest way to level up in Valorant. So it is without saying that the more game you play, the faster you level up. That is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Bye bye.